Now we want to append the status value in that status variable. Here you can see. So for that, what you can do is use a variable status underscore data. If you are here, you can see we have created this status variable here, and here we want to append this value. So for that we will use a method called append, and we want to append here this status value. After that, what we do is we will create another if statement. If status data at -1 position equals to 1, and status data at -2 position equals to 0, then if you don't know what is this -1 and -2, I would recommend you to do the basics first and then come to this. These are the basics of list. So if you are don't remember that, you have to check the video whose link in down in description. So make sure you check that. So after that, what we do is we want to append here time data dot append. We want to append the present date and present time also. Append time data date time dot now. Okay, and then we will create another if statement. If status data at -1 position equals to 0, and status data at -2 position equals to 1, then we want to append time data dot append date time dot now. Okay, after that guys, the basic steps are cv2 dot show, not show, it's I am show, and let's name the window. The first window should be gray. We want to pass here gray frame. cv2 dot I am show, and here we want the blur frame, sorry. Let's pass the difference bwt frame. After that, cv2 dot im show. Here we will pass the, let's name it threshold, frame, sorry, comma, and we want the pass here frame difference, and the last window is I am the object detection image, object detection detection frame. Sorry for my voice guys, I'm not well, that's why. Detection frame, comma, we want to pass here frame. Okay, then the last steps are key equals to cv2 dot, we want to create a wait key. Let's pass here 1. If key equals to odd Let's pass here q. One more time, guys. This you can only understand if you watch the previous tutorial, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, if status equals to 1, then time data dot append date time dot now. Oops. Okay, so we will break the window. Then let's print the status. Then the last steps are for I in range 0 comma length of time data comma 2, and here we want the data frame equals to df dot append start time underscore data I. Okay, let's create the end time now, and I will tell you what this is, but let me just type it. Time data I plus 1. Okay, then it's 1, not this. We want to ignore index true. Okay, so what this does is it will capture this time at which the object has entered in the screen, and it will save the object in the data frame. Okay, and after that, guys, what we will do is data frame to cv csv, and let's name it time.csv. So it will save this data which when the object entered and exited, and save it to this time.csv file. Okay, you can name it any file, but I am doing it time. Then video dot release, we release the video, and at last we will destroy the window. Destroy or window. Let's check it. Exit. Okay, we got a syntax error here. Okay, I forgot to put here equals to sign. Sorry for that, guys. Let's run that again. Again, syntax error. 68. Okay, I forgot to put here comma, and if I run it again, I again got a error. Oops, we have to put this break here. Okay, if I run it again,